In the dynamic world of software development, minimizing risks and ensuring a seamless user experience during deployments is paramount. Various strategies have emerged to achieve this, each offering unique benefits for different scenarios. Today, we'll explore three prominent techniques: blue/green deployments, canary releases, and feature toggles. Let's begin with blue/green deployments, a strategy designed for rapid rollbacks and minimal downtime. This method involves running two identical production environments, blue and green, simultaneously. While one environment, say blue, serves live traffic, the new version of the application is deployed and tested in the green environment. Once green is validated, traffic is instantly switched from blue to green, making the new version live. Blue/green deployments are ideal for applications requiring high availability and zero downtime during updates. A key advantage is the ability to perform instant rollbacks. If issues arise, traffic can be immediately redirected back to the stable blue environment. This significantly reduces the risk associated with new releases, providing a safety net for critical systems. However, a notable disadvantage is the cost of maintaining two identical production environments, which doubles infrastructure expenses. Now let's shift our focus to canary releases, a method for gradually rolling out new software versions to a small subset of users. In a canary release, the new version is deployed to a small group of users, often referred to as the canary group. Their feedback and the system's performance are closely monitored. If all goes well, the new version is gradually rolled out to larger segments of the user base until it reaches everyone. Canary releases are particularly useful for mitigating risk when introducing significant changes or new features. The primary advantage is the ability to detect and address issues early, before they impact a large number of users. This controlled exposure allows for real-world testing and validation, enhancing overall software quality. However, canary releases can be more complex to manage due to the need for sophisticated monitoring and traffic routing. They also require careful planning to ensure the canary group accurately represents the broader user base. Finally, let's delve into feature toggles, a technique that allows developers to turn features on or off without deploying new code. Feature toggles, also known as feature flags, embed conditional logic within the codebase. This enables features to be deployed in a dormant state and then activated for specific users or groups. Feature toggles are excellent for A/B testing, personalized user experiences, and managing unfinished features. They allow continuous integration and delivery by decoupling feature release from code deployment. A significant advantage is the flexibility they offer. Features can be turned on or off instantly, even in production. This provides fine-grained control over feature exposure and allows for rapid experimentation. However, managing a large number of feature toggles can introduce complexity and technical debt. It requires robust tooling and clear governance to prevent a tangled web of conditional logic. In summary, blue/green deployments offer rapid rollbacks, canary releases provide controlled risk mitigation, and feature toggles enable dynamic feature management. Each strategy plays a crucial role in modern software delivery, helping teams deploy with confidence and efficiency. Understanding their nuances allows developers, DevOps engineers, and tech leads to select the most appropriate approach for their specific needs. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview helps you navigate the complexities of software release strategies.